Printhound boys and girls, here we go again. Another week done, another assembly time, and it's been another great week. You have done some fantastic things. We've been looking at all your learning online and on paper, and you have done such wonderful things. So well done to you. Well done to mums and dads and whoever else is there at home helping you out. We appreciate it very, very, very much. We thought that last week's assembly was really good. We've had lots of lovely feedback. It was nice for you to see your teachers. So we're carrying on with that, which is great because, again, it means you don't have to look at me all of the time. This week, I've put a new song inside the assembly. So between Mrs. Walter's class and Miss Singer's class, we'll have a new song. And do you know what? You've worked hard all week and all over this lockdown. So I've decided you can take next week off. No work for you at all because it's half term. So enjoy that. Stay safe. Stay sound. We were meant to be having our Little Heroes video because you are all little heroes to us. However, we're still waiting on some videos to come in so we can splice it all together, and we'll look to release that now after half term. So if you haven't done a video yet about who your hero is, let us know as soon as you can. Get those videos in and we'll get them all together. Have a lovely half term. Enjoy yourselves, stay safe, stay sound, and we'll hopefully, fingers crossed, see you very, very soon. Take care, bye-bye.
Well done, boys and girls. Time for celebration assembly again. Here I am, thinking in the nursery, who should I give my certificates to? Then I thought of two girls. This time, boys, I'm afraid it's the girls. So my first certificate goes to Harper Stevens. Harper Stevens, you have done so many fantastic jobs for your mammy. Learning sounds, doing numbers, doing ICT, lots and lots and lots of jobs. And mammy is very proud of you. And so is Mrs. Thomas. Well done, Harper. My second certificate is going to another little girl who wrote her name this week so well, Mrs. Thomas thought her mammy had written it. My second certificate is going to Savannah Wynell. Savannah, you are doing a really good job at staying at home and looking after your mammy and your nanny and your daddy and baby Maddie. And Mrs. Atkinson told me you've been a real grown-up girl. Keep it up. Mrs. Thomas is very proud of you. Well done.
Hello everyone and welcome to Celebration Assembly. First of all, can I say well done to every single one of you for having such a fantastic week and for all your amazing home learning. So this week I have chosen two little girls for our certificates. The first one goes to Poppy Jones for being a yoga superstar, for keeping her body and her mind healthy when we are doing our home learning. Well done, Poppy Jones. My second certificate goes to Scarlett Home. Well done to Scarlett for a fantastic news report. I loved it. Well done, everyone. Hope you have a fantastic half term, and I look forward to seeing all the wonderful posts that you're going to send me. See you after half term. Bye.
Shmai Help! Well done on another fantastic week of learning. We have seen some beautiful should do and could do jobs and some amazing choosing tasks too. Well done. One of my home learners this week is Alea Lee Gwilym for her amazing work with her red cards and for her reading. Diane, I am so proud of you. My next home learner is Zach Bromley for his amazing red card work, his amazing speed sound set 2 work, and for his super sentences. Well done to the both of you, Arddergog. Well done everyone else as well. You are doing a fantastic job and I wish I could give you all a certificate. So keep up the good work. Hi.
Morning everybody, welcome to another Celebration Assembly. You've all been fantastic doing all of your jobs this week, and I'm really impressed that lots of you are also learning to ride your bikes. Super well done. Well, I could only choose 2 children this week. I've chosen a boy and a girl. Our boy is going to be Oliver O'Callaghan. His reading is absolutely amazing. He reads every day with his mammy and his daddy, and it is improving every single day. He's also enjoying doing lots and lots of the should do jobs. So well done, Oliver. Our girl winner is going to be Martha. Martha is very creative this week. She's helped her daddy to build a rope swing. She's made a plaque for her bedroom, and she's done lots and lots and lots of the should do jobs. So well done to you, Martha. Well, it's next week is half term. Enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you in a week's time. Miss you lots. Bye.
Hi everyone. Our first home learning certificate this week goes to Frankie Ford for her excellent maths work and for doing more and more all on her own and really enjoying it. So well done, Frankie Ford. Our second home learning certificate goes to Danny Stevens for an excellent attitude to home learning and for being busy every single day doing all his tasks and always challenging himself. There isn't anything he doesn't try. So well done, Danny. And a really big well done to all of you for doing so well with your home learning. Bye.
Hi everyone, the first certificate in my class this week goes to Sophie Moorcroft for completing fantastic maths and literacy tasks. Keep it up, Sophie, well done to you. The second certificate in my class goes to Crystal Hartson for fantastic work. You're working really hard on everything you do, but this certificate is especially for your literacy tasks. Keep it up, I know you can do it. Well done to you.
Make a brighter day tomorrow. We'll make the world a better place. We'll put some colour into everything if we learn to be loving today. We'll make a brighter day tomorrow with every step along the way. We'll see a better thing is happening if we learn to be loving today. There's no telling what a difference we can make. This world's waiting for the colours we yet to create. We'll make a brighter day tomorrow. We'll make the world a better place. We'll see the treasure in the little things if we learn to be grateful today. We'll make a brighter day tomorrow with every step along the way. We'll find a song to sing in everything if we learn to be grateful today. There's no telling what a difference we can make. This world's waiting for the colours we yet to create. There's no telling what a difference we can make. This world's waiting for the colours we yet to create.
Brynandabel. My first certificate this week goes to Lacey Carroll. I've given it to Lacey Carroll because she has been working hard to complete all home learning tasks. Diane Lacey. My next certificate this week goes to Kyla Dash, and I've given it to Kyla because she's been showing lots of perseverance when completing her home tasks. Well done, Kyla. A big well done to all of you as well. The work I've seen this week has been excellent and I've been really impressed. Diane Bow.
A big thank you from me to everybody in 3-4-ID who's worked hard on their Google Classroom tasks this week. It's been a lot of fun to see the fantastic work that you've been sending in. Well, amongst those people who've worked hard this week is Holly Azarati, who's completed all her maths tasks this week and every other week that we've been working in Google Classroom. So well done. Someone else who's worked really hard this week is Corey Taylor, and he's put a lot of effort into all his tasks on Google Classroom. So well done to you, Corey, and well done to everyone else who's worked hard in GC this week. Looking forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!
Hi, and it's assembly time again, and so time for certificates. So this week the certificates are going to two brothers from 4AA. So you know who those two brothers are, Ethan and Evan, so congratulations to both of them. Amazing Google Classroom activities that they've been doing these last few weeks, especially their VE Day posters and also making their mum breakfast in bed. Very impressive. Well done, boys, and well done, everybody else. Bye.
Hi boys and girls, I've picked two pupils from our class this week for the celebration assembly. The first certificate goes to Harrison Bennett, Diane T. I loved the data handling skills used for your bar chart on your mini beast hunt. Well done, Harrison. The second pupil I've picked is a little girl, Olivia Reynolds. Olivia, you upload work daily, lots of effort going into each piece. Ardderchog, Diane T. Keep the good work, everybody. Hwyl.
Hello Year 5, I hope you're all safe and well. And first of all, I just want to say how proud I am for all the work you're completing at home. Well done to you. I really enjoy seeing all your work, and I could give you all a certificate if I could, but keep it up, you're all doing fab, and I love seeing your work all week, so well done. Now, our first winner this week is a young man called Tristan Smith, and he gets this award for trying really hard to complete all his tasks at home and for trying really hard to read at home with his mum too. So keep it up, Tristan, you're doing a fabulous job. I'm really proud of you. Diane, well done. Now, my next certificate goes to a lovely young lady called Ava Davis-Grist, and she gets this award for a superhero video and also trying really hard in everything she does online, full of enthusiasm, always there on her messages, saying hello and saying thank you. So working really hard, really proud of you, Ava. Well done, keep it up, Bendigedig.
The week goes to Luana Williams for being so helpful around the house. Well done. The week also goes to Harley England for being so enthusiastic with his homeschool learning and completing his tasks to a high standard. Well done, Harley.